This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hi, I'm Steve Irvin with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. Right now, a call from Washington to bring the National Guard to hospitals across Arizona. Senators Mark Kelly and Kirsten Sinema are urging the governor to deploy the Guard to support hospitals strained by staffing shortages. FEMA recently announcing it would reimburse states to deploy the Guard to support hospitals with non-medical services like laundry, food, and cleaning services. It's up to the governors to activate the Guard, though. Governor Ducey has deployed the Guard for several pandemic-related missions, including helping at testing sites, distributing PPE, and helping food banks across Arizona. A recall alert. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is recalling nearly 54,000 Tesla vehicles. Cars and SUVs in Tesla's self-driving beta program have been programmed to roll through stop signs as long as no other cars or people are around. The company says the issue will be fixed with an internet software update. Tesla says no cars in its program have been involved in any accidents since it launched in 2020. Today is the start of Career and Technical Education Month, highlighting the need for more skilled trade workers in our state. Right now, all industries are struggling to recruit and retain staff, including electricians, HVAC technicians, and plumbers. In 2018, the Copper Development Association found more than half of trade professionals were nearing retirement age, and that number likely grew over the course of the pandemic. Officials with the National Technical Institute in Phoenix say contractors are regularly coming to the school looking for graduates.
We have a lot of contractors that literally come knocking on our door because they're looking for skilled people. And that's they're our customer, actually. We're trying to help them find labor because we all want our AC to work in the summer.
There are other schools across the valley with similar programs. They take about 4 months to complete. From the Impact Earth team, ranchers going virtual to help the environment. Instead of building fences to keep cattle in line, a new technology creates virtual boundaries. These videos and photos are from Vents. That's a company that developed the technology. Essentially, collars attached to cattle, monitoring them with GPS and sounds that can help ranchers better track the animals, keeping healthier soil and crops.
We can manage the livestock in a lot more consistent and supportive manner for soil health and increase our stock densities and increase the amount of rest the grasslands get.
The virtual fencing also helps ranchers save on labor costs and materials. More than 100 ranches are expected to be using the new technology by the end of this year. A Queen Creek senior living community getting the donation of love this week. Countryside Living residents getting recently surprised with a new housemate, a 6-month-old puppy named Luna. Community leaders connecting with an organization who donated Luna to help deliver companionship and combat loneliness, something these seniors certainly felt at the peak of the pandemic. The idea to adopt a dog for the community coming after a chance encounter a few weeks earlier.
Luna kind of came about because our next door neighbors have a little puppy. She escaped and came over here to visit us, and we saw just faces light up, and the joy that she brought to these residents was unbelievable.
Needless to say, Luna fit right in. She starts each day saying hello to employees, then going room to visit her new family members. Community officials say the residents couldn't have been more thrilled to have her.
Tracking your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. Get ready for a windy hump day across much of Arizona, especially to the west, where wind advisories will take effect tomorrow morning, beginning at 8 o'clock, lasting till potentially as late as 11, with gusts, especially in Mojave County, perhaps reaching 60 miles an hour. So watch out for blowing dust in places like Yuma, for example, and near the Imperial Sand Dunes, along with areas near Kingman. Now here's a look at futurecast wind throughout the day tomorrow. Notice it really howling in Bullhead City and Lake Havasu City too, right around 20 to 30 miles per hour. Again, gusting to 55 and even 60 miles per hour. Here in the valley, we're anticipating breezy conditions with gusts right around 25 miles per hour at times. Same in northern and southern parts of the state, with highs tomorrow climbing into the 20s in Flagstaff, 30s in Heber and Show Low, 60s here in the valley, so temperatures will be dropping over the next several days. In fact, your 7-day forecast is showing those highs staying in the low to mid 60s through the weekend, with lows as cold as 39 degrees Thursday and Friday morning.
For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, head to abc15.com or download the free ABC 15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.